Bless you. So intro, okay, right here, 9:11. Yes, yesterday's lecture. Today's 9:12. We'll have today's lecture here. So what I'd like for you to do is open this up. Okay, right here where it says table. Okay, right-click, open in a new tab, and then download it into your Web 1 folder. Okay, so here it is right here. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do, this is the Steve Jobs speech. Go ahead and click on download and put it inside the Web 1 folder, please. So wherever that you have it there, I think I put mine, not sure where I put mine. Yes, sir, Steve Jobs, the Steve Jobs. And please call it table. Table, and just go ahead and save it, okay? What's that? No, okay, not, okay, go to, sorry. So you're going to go to table.html, okay, and you're going to right-click, whoops. You're going to right-click, open a new tab, okay, right-click, open link in a new tab, click there, and then there should be a download symbol there. So download that into your Web 1 folder. So you should have something like this right here, Web 1. You should have index from yesterday and then today table. All right, so we're going to continue learning a little bit of code. Hey, anybody have a question? Let me know because I can answer it. How do you save it? Okay, so I'll show you again. So here it is right here, okay? Table.html. Okay, so then what you do is move the cursor in there, right-click. Okay, right-click, and then save, open link in a new tab. Okay, if you can't right-click, see if you can click it in the right side, click and open a new window, and then now you're back at this, okay? So you have to look for this icon right here. This is the download. Please put it inside your Web 1 folder. If you need my help at this point, raise your hand. I'll be happy to help you. Okay. It is now 2:27. I'll give you till 2:28. 9. Okay, it's 2:28. So what I'd like you to do now is in your Finder, or actually open up Dreamweaver. Open up Dreamweaver, please, and then go File, Open, and look for table.html. Click there and open. There you go. Look at all that. So now, what I'd like you to do, click on code right here. Click on code. Okay, we're going to, oh, look, it did it nicely for you. Okay. So I'm going to toggle back and forth, and hopefully you'll understand. If you click here where it says table, this little Google Docs, all this right here, okay, this is the main tag, remember? Okay, actually this is the main, tags slash elements. Okay, let's put that there. Okay, remember, tags are the brackets. The element is in between the tags. And these are the attributes and these are the values. Okay? So, what I'd like for you to do now, if you were to go back into Dreamweaver, and if you were to, okay, or actually do this, right click, open with Chrome. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Okay? Goes coast to coast on the screen. Totally disorientated. Let's go ahead and see what we can do to fix it. Okay, is everybody with me, please? Let me know. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you, okay, first of all, does anybody need more time to catch up to where I am on the screen? Okay, how can I help you guys? What's that? Okay, let me go to you. Anybody else need me to look over the shoulder? Anybody? Bravo? Lion? Anybody need my help? Anybody here? Need my help? Okay, cool. So let me show you. We're going to introduce you to the concept of tables. You all know what tables are. Okay, so let me show you how to code. First, watch what I do. Okay, shh, listen up, y'all. It's very important. So in a table setting, okay, if I was to come down here, okay, let me just go ahead, and I insert a table. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and insert. You do not have to do this. So let's say I have a 3x3 table. This whole thing here, okay, what is if you see any text on top, what is that called? Okay, good, but it's called caption. So now, what is this right here? What is this section right here? This, table, okay. Victor has it right here. This is usually the table header, or otherwise known as TH. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this all the way across. If you'd like, I can send this to you, or actually it's already on, it's going to be on your notes. So it'll be there. Now, what is this one, Victor? All this. This is the table row. So this is the TR. Now, that's this whole thing here. Okay, what about the individual ones? What are they called? Table data. Okay, so this is where the content goes, and this one is called TD. Okay. So, okay, I can talk about it all I want, but you're not going to get it, so unless you do it. Okay, so let's go back over here, and the first thing I want to do is just put this, because this is such a mess right here. Let's see, where are you? Nope, not there. Let me just open it up again. Sorry about that. So right-click, open with Chromebook, and this is a mess. Okay, so now watch this, and then first watch as you do, and do as you watched. Okay, so I'm going to put the cursor right next to body. Okay, then I'm going to press the return key, and here I go. Okay, So the first thing is you start with a tag, open bracket, that's it. Then you're going to create table. Okay, everybody good? Then, okay, you press space. Shh. Then you can go ahead and press W. What we want to do is, remember, you never want content to go from one end of the screen to the other. What you have right now would make a person go blind. They'll read the first two sentences, if even that, and then just go away. So we want to limit or constrict. So we will do WI, there you see with, right there. So let's do this. Now, with, let me go back to that document I showed. Okay, if you go over here, with table, you got with, and then you can do a percent or an actual number. Now, Victor wants to do a percent, okay? So let's just say we want them no more than 70% of the entire screen. You can also do 1,000 pixels, but let's do what Victor said, okay? And now let's go ahead and click on the End tab. Notice how this table already is, there's an end tag right here. Does everybody see that? At this point, I will stop and ask to answer any questions. Who needs my help? Don't be bashful. Clarissa, you good? Clarissa, you good? You look good with glasses. Oh, look sharp. Okay. All right. So now what I'm going to ask you to do is highlight this whole thing, the end tag, highlight it, and you're going to cut it. Right-click, cut, right there. Right-click, cut. And then you're going to go to the end, right here, at the end of everything here, at the very end, and right above the body, the end body tag, you're going to paste. That's where the table ends. Or you can just erase it and type it, whichever one's easiest for you. Okay, crazy stuff. Who would have thought when you guys were middle schoolers that you would do this? All right, so we got a width at 70%. Now, what's next? Okay, what's next? Right here, TR. We got to put the content in here. In this case, all we're doing, listen up, all we're doing is inserting a table. Let me insert a table. It's just this. Oops, where is it? Don't yawn. Okay. Insert table. That's all we're doing right there. Okay, so basically if this was a table, okay, a width of equals 70%, okay? But we got one row, one table data. This whole thing's a table data. And then we're going to end the table data and then end the row and then end the table. So you see how it works? You begin with opening tags, elements, and then you have end elements. So let's go ahead and do that, please. All right, let's do it. Okay, gentlemen, let's do this. Okay, so now we are going to do a TR. TR always comes first. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of, now you notice it has an end tag right here. So go ahead and do the same thing. Right click, cut, and put it all the way down. And put it right above the table, the end table. Above it. Okay? Okay, let me show you. You begin the table, you begin the row, you begin the data. So you're going from the biggest thing to the smaller thing to even smaller, and then you're ending it with TD-TR table. So you start with table TR TD, and then end with TD-TR tables. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. You got it? All right, now, what's the next code we got to put in? TD, touchdown. I better hear that a lot, footballers. Okay, TD, and then it's going to do the same thing. We're going to cut that part, and we're going to put this other part right above the TR. So you see? Now, let's go ahead and save it, and let's go ahead and look at the work. So if I were to, why didn't I save this? Okay, there it is. Now if I was to refresh it, look what happens. It shrinks. Not enough in my taste. Okay, not enough. Okay, everybody, is there anybody's paragraph shrink? Let me know if I need to help you. There, good job. Okay, so Laura wants me to help her. Let's go there. Okay. Good. Let's make this even smaller, everybody. So instead of 70%, 80%, let's make it 50%. Okay, let's go here. And let's make it 50%. Then save it. And then go look at your work. Okay, refresh. Now it gets even smaller. Now what's wrong with this picture? It's too far to the right. We want it straight centered, right? So let's look at the table right here. Look at this. Let's look at this stuff right here. And which one of these, 1 to 10, will make sure that it is going to be centered? Good. And by the way, it's not middle, it's center. My bad. So let's do this, okay? So look for a line, and then look for center. Let's go back over here. All right, right here. That is table. Okay, put the cursor before the greater than sign. Press the space bar and type in a line. There it is right there. A line equals center. Now save it and look what happens. I like the ooze. Everybody understanding? Now let's do this, everybody. Let's put a border around the, see here, border. There's the attributes, okay, table, border, and then it comes with a number. So follow what I do, and then do as you followed. So I'm going to put the cursor back here. I'm going to press the space bar. I'm going to click on border, and then I'm going to put a number. Everybody put down 10. Save, and see what happens. Everybody got that? Okay, good job. Back row is doing great. Front row, I can't see you, sorry. I can only hear you. Let's see, anybody here? Back row, you know? Good. Okay, good job, everybody. Front row too. All right. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to separate everything. Okay, so let's see. What time is it? Okay, it's not here. Shh, listen up. Also, here's another thing, cell padding. Okay, cell padding. Let's do this, everybody. Table. Let's go to table and put in cell padding. Copy the word cell padding, and then go over here. Watch this. Cell padding. Boom, there it is. And then let's put in 10. Save it, and look at it. Okay. Here's the code. Is everybody good? Front row, right side, are we good over there? No, the other right. No offense, other row, right? Oh, the Wi-Fi here is crappy. Okay. Okay. All right, everybody. So let's do this. Let me show you. So first of all, now you're going to have to toggle back and forth from the speech itself. Okay, I have the speech right here, I believe. Okay, let me go here. So now you kind of see where the paragraphs are. So let's do this, okay? I am honored, blah, blah, no big deal, just 3 stories. Okay, so let's do this, everybody. So, actually, if yours is separated already, everybody do this, please. Watch what I do and do as I watch. As before every beginning, okay, put down this code, okay? And then you have a beginning and ending paragraph. So go ahead and cut the ending and put it at the end. Okay, there you go. Now do that for every one of these paragraphs. Easy, dude. Okay, so do that and then /. Okay, it is now 2:50. I'll give you till 2:55. Okay, paste. You can go ahead and do it this way, guys. You can do paragraph. You can go down and put a beginning paragraph. See that? If it allows you to do it. Okay, so you can do that, and then going back up, you can put the end paragraph. Okay, so paragraph. This course gets easier, trust me. And then going back up, you put the end paragraph, okay? So you copy that and then go back up. So you click there. Just find the N. Find there. All right, once you're done, save the work, press Command-C, and then you should have something that looks like this. Okay, and save your work.